Hello friends, welcome to SK Finance Media. In this video, we're going to discuss about 13 stocks that has announced stock split, stock bonus and dividend. First stock is EIH Associated Hotels Limited. The current price of EIH Hotels is running around 915 rupees. The company has announced a stock bonus at 1:1 ratio. That means if you have a 1 share of EIH Associated Hotels, you're going to get additional 1 share as a bonus and your 1 share will be counted to total number of 2 shares. Ex-date and record date is at 29th of July. Next stock is PTL Enterprises Limited. The current price of PTL Enterprises Limited is running around 45 rupees. The company has also a dividend of rupees 1.75. That means if you have shares of PTL Enterprises, you're gonna get 1 rupees and 75 paise as a dividend for your each shares. Ex-date and record date is still not announced by the company. They are upcoming. As soon as company announces the ex-date and record date, I will be the first person to intimate it. Next stock is Dhamur Bioorganics Limited. The current price of Dhamur Bioorganics is running around 154 rupees. The company has also a dividend of rupees 2.5. That means if you have a shares of Dhamur Bioorganics, you're gonna get 2 rupees and 50 paise as a dividend for your each shares. Ex-date and record date is at 28th of June. Next stock is SIF Hotels Limited. The current price of SIF is running around 114 rupees. The company has also a dividend of rupees 1. That means if you have a shares of SIF Hotels, you're gonna get 1 rupees as a dividend for your each shares. Ex-date and record date is at 10th of July. Next stock is Share India Securities Limited. The current price of Share India Securities is running around 1,511 rupees. The company has also a stock split at 1:5. That means if you have 1 share of Share India Securities, your 1 share will be counted to total number of 5 shares. Ex-date and record date is at 27th of June. Next stock is Tamilnad Mercantile Bank Limited. The current price of Tamilnad Mercantile Bank is running around 474 rupees. The company has also a dividend of rupees 10. That means if you have a shares of Tamilnad Mercantile Bank, you're gonna get 10 rupees as a dividend for your each shares. Ex-date and record date is still not announced by the company. They are upcoming. Next stock is Reson Industries Limited. The current price of Reson Industries is running around 1,013 rupees. The company has also stock split at 2:10 ratio. That means if you have a 2 shares of Reson Industries, your 2 shares will be counted to total number of 10 shares. Ex-date and record date is at 5th of July. Next stock is Ashad Capital Limited. The current price of Ashad Capital is running around 9 rupees. The company has also stock bonus at 1:2 ratio. That means if you have a 2 shares of Ashad Capital, you're going to get additional 1 share as a bonus and your 2 share will be counted to total number of 3 shares. Ex-date and record date is at 25th of June. Next stock is Genba Pharmaceuticals Limited. The current price of Genba Pharmaceuticals is running around 855 rupees. The company has also a dividend of rupees 13.3. That means if you have shares of Genba Pharmaceuticals, you're gonna get 15 rupees and 30 paise as a dividend for your each shares. Ex-date and record date is at 23rd of July. Next stock is Goodyear India Limited. The current price of Goodyear India is running around 1,188 rupees. The company has also a dividend of rupees 15. That means if you have shares of Goodyear India, you're gonna get 15 rupees as a dividend for your each shares. Ex-date and record date is at 23rd of July. Next stock is Filtra Consultant and Engineers Limited. The current price of Filtra Consultant and Engineers is running around 112 rupees. The company has also a dividend of rupees 3. That means if you have shares of Filtra Consultants and Engineering, you're gonna get 3 rupees as a dividend for your each shares. Ex-date and record date is at 25th of June. Next stock is Ujjivan Small Finance Bank Limited. The current price of Ujjivan Small Finance Bank is running around 50 rupees. The company has also a dividend of rupees 1.5. That means if you have shares of Ujjivan Small Finance Bank, you're gonna get 1 rupees and 50 paise as a dividend for your each shares. Ex-date and record date is still not announced by the company. They are upcoming. Next and last stock is New India Assurance Company Limited. The current price of New India Assurance is running around 238 rupees. The company has announced a dividend of rupees 2.06. That means if you have shares of New India Assurance, you're gonna get 2 rupees and 6 paise as a dividend for your each shares. Ex-date and record it is still not announced by the company. They are upcoming. So friends, please do subscribe our channel so you don't miss any of upcoming ex-date and record date. As soon as the company announces their ex-date and record date, we will update in our channel.